team, welcome back. Today we are reading passage Z, the speech, from the second text in the Simple Comprehension series. Poetry and literature, the two pillars of this great university, will not be diminished in their importance by anyone, least of all accountants who want to rationalize expenditure. The man spoke confidently to thunderous applause. The audience, now on their feet, continued to clap as he raised his arms. Behind him, the three men in suits looked surprised and uncomfortable. They had not bargained on such an emotive and wide-ranging rebuttal. To them, the financial need to spend less money meant fewer lecturers and tutors. Clearly, the speaker and the audience did not agree. A new plan would need to be devised. Questions. What does the speaker oppose? Did the audience support the speaker? How do you know this? Who are the three men in suits? Why were the three men surprised? What did the three men want to initiate? What would the three men need to do next? Now let's check the answers. What does the speaker oppose? A reduction in the number of lecturers and tutors. We could also say spending less money here. Did the audience support the speaker? How do you know this? Yes, the audience applauded the speaker and rose to their feet. It says so in the third sentence. Who are the three men in suits? The three men are accountants. It says so in the first sentence. Why were the three men surprised? They had not expected such an emotive and wide-ranging rebuttal to their plan. What did the three men want to initiate? The three men wanted to initiate a reduction in the number of lecturers and tutors. Or we could say for the university to spend less money. One or both answers are good. What would the three men need to do next? The three men would need to devise a new plan to reduce expenditure. It says so in the last sentence. Thank you for your time.